Handmade Oriental rugs, created in lands as rich in color and culture as the intricate designs woven into them. The art of hand weaving is spread across various parts of the world, but in the United States it is considered a specialized skill. Many Americans own handmade area rugs and treasure them for their intricate designs, their dollar worth, and their sentimental value. Although handmade rugs are durable, nothing can withstand wear and time. Eventually, your handmade area rug will need professional repairs. Our rugs mean a lot to us. They provide comfort for our homes, warmth for our feet, and our family's feet. Whether your family looks like this, or more like this, our rugs go through a lot. In order to maintain our rugs, it is important to have them professionally cleaned at least once every 2 or 3 years and checked for repairs by area rug experts. Due to the intricate designs and specific color patterns of Oriental rugs, it is imperative to have experts perform repairs. Most rug experts have decades of experience, a comprehensive understanding of colors in the wool dyeing process, and all of the necessary tools and supplies on hand. Here are some of our most common rug repairs. The overcast stitch, used to reinforce the fringe and prevent any unraveling. This technique also adds definition to the appearance of the fringe. The overround stitch. This technique is used to stabilize the sides of the rug and protects against unraveling. The extra thread being sewn in prevents the edges from buckling, securing the threads tightly together. The punch wool reweave. Decades of practice makes this repair look easy. Using a specialized tool to punch new wool into small areas of the rug where the original wool has worn away. repairs help to transform damaged rugs into a like-new condition, so they can continue to bring warmth and happiness to you, your family, and your home for years to come.